melody. You surround me with a song of deliverance from my enemies, till all my fears are gone. I'm no longer a slave to fear, for I am a child of God.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
Face, listen to me. I say everything you put your hand,
Go back.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
You self gon' be a bowl.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Everything you put your hand,
Go back.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
You self gon' be a bowl.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Every hustler get him day.
Eh, eh.
Where the hustle go come the pay.
Eh, eh.
Yourself and no go take.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 If you no find work, do your own.
Oh, oh.
God self go do him own. And flesh go cover bone. Amen,
Amen.
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 If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Sister, we want marry sins.
Eh, eh.
Until where they find Pekin.
Eh, eh.
One day you go born them twin.
Eh, eh.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Tenant where they lose him job. Landlord come the door like God. One day you go be landlord.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Long life will follow you.
Amen.
Strangers will favor you.
Amen.
If you believe it, say amen.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Everything you put your hand,
Go out.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
Yourself gon' be a boss.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Everything you put your hand,
Go out.
your name go open doors.
Amen.
Yourself gon' be a boss.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Your children will make you proud.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Your music will be successful.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 You go buy that big Bugatti.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 Daddy gonna buy Lamborghini.
Amen.
Amen,
Amen.
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 And mom will build big.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So the procedures I just showed you were 4 different ways I make egg and bread in my house. Yes, because my first son likes his own different, my second son like their own different, and my daughter like different. So as a mom, I just have to satisfy them so that they can enjoy their breakfast or they can enjoy their food. because without that they won't have to eat it healthy. So here I'm having my hot chocolate. So come and join me, guys. See, and I prefer my toast, definitely. I like eating my toast. See, I'm eating my toast. Come and join me, guys. Best. My kids also, they eat toast, but not always. So this is how I eat my own toast. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learn one or two and you try it for your kids in case they are picky eaters or they don't like eating this way. You can try out this way, because I try different ways and I see that they enjoy it in a different way. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. So guys, in case you're just coming across this video for the first time, I'm Linda. You're welcome to the channel. I'm a mom YouTuber based in India. I'm a Nigerian. Yeah, I forgot to mention that. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based here in India. Here I share my lifestyle, vlog, and everything we do. Okay, I also share Indian cultures. You can check out our previous videos. You will like them. You will like the cultures of India I shared and everything about Indian and my lifestyle here. So you're welcome. Subscribe now. Subscribe. Turn on that bell so that I can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay, guys. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to give us thumbs up, and in our next video, please do well to check out our previous videos. You will enjoy them. All right, guys, and thank you for my new subscribers, my old subscribers. You have a special place in my heart. I love you guys, and keep on supporting us. I'll see you all in our next video. Bye-bye.
Count your blessings. Life is full of blessings. Thank God for His mercy. We pray.